everybody, it's your Pokemon once again, and for today's video guys, we will be discussing the top 5 finds. So as you know guys, I've been opening a lot of MTG bulks and we are finding the top 5 finds for each bulks. And these are the top 5 finds that I found it useful in any other deck. And this card has also some values. It is higher than the normal card values. So we put this in our top 5 finds. So our first card guys is Audacity. So this one is a one enchantment aura. So this one, if it's used, then the enchanted creature will get +2/+0, and that creature will gain trample ability. So trample guys is an ability. For example, your creature has 5 damage, okay, and it deals it attacks to the opponent, and the opponent has a blocking creatures which has 2 defense. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. So the opponent will have a 3 more damage, directly damage to his life points. So it's very nice ability, trample ability. And of course, when Audacity is put into graveyard, from the battlefield, you can draw a card. So for example, it was already resolved and it's already put in your graveyard, then you can draw another card. So very nice card guys for 1 mana. This one is insane, Audacity. So next is a second card is a Witch Stalker Frenzy. This one is a 4 mana instant card. So 3 colorless, 1 red. So this spell costs 1 less to cast for each creature that attack this turn. So for example, your creature has a lot of ability. You have 5 creatures in your field, and that 5 creatures have 5 abilities, and you need to use, for example, 3 mana, 4 mana for each of their abilities. Okay, so if that's the case, you need to use this Witch Stalker Frenzy so that the spell cost will be less than 1. So it's really helpful. It can save a lot of mana, and it's a really nice card. Also, this Witch Stalker Frenzy guys deals 5 damage to target creature for only 4 mana. So imagine, you can have this effect on the other spell, plus it can deal 5 damage to target creature. Very nice card guys. Excuse. Okay, for the third card is the Vengeful Possession. So this one is 3 mana, 2 colorless, 1 red. Is a sorcery. Gain control of target creature until end of turn. So you can gain control of any target creature until end of turn. Untap it, and then it gain haste until end of turn. You may discard a card. If you do, draw a card. So you can, for example, your hands, you have 5 cards in your hands. You can discard one of those cards, and you can draw another card. So it's very insane. And then you can control any target creature guys in the field. So it's very insane card. Really nice for 3 mana, Vengeful Possession. Okay, so this fourth card is one of the most, very useful card for only 1 mana. So this is Jump Scare, 1 mana only, instant card. So until end of turn, target creature gets +2/+2. So imagine your creature get +2/+2 for only 1 mana, and of course, it also gains flying, and it becomes a horror enchantment creature in addition to its other type. So imagine you will gain horror enchantment creature, and then plus it will become flying, plus you will gain +2/+2 for only 1 white mana. Jump Scare guys, really useful card in any deck, and very nice. So for our fifth card guys is the Righteous Cause. This one is 5 mana, 3 colorless, 2 white. I really like this enchantment because whenever a creature attacks, you gain 1 life. So for example, you have a lot of creatures in your field. You have a lot of creature tokens. Example, you have 10 or more, and then each of them attacks the opponent. Then you will gain that number of creatures life. That number of creatures. So for example, you have 10 creatures attack, then you gain +10 life. Very useful card guys. Righteous Cause. So share us your thoughts about these 5 finds, and if you have your top 5 finds for this week or for this day guys, please comment on our video below. And all of this we will sold all of this in our Shopee shop, so please check that out. It's Daily Dose of Magic in Shopee shop. Please subscribe, guys, and please comment, and please like this video, and please follow Daily Dose of Magic. That's all. God bless. Thank you so much.